Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to set the quality settings to 720 or higher. Today, I will show you how to assign a report to the designer in an Angular application. Run the project. As you can see, the report designer would start without a report or dashboard. Stop the project. Add a report template to the project, for example a dashboard template. To do this, create a reports folder in the public directory. Copy the template to this folder using the command line. Open the component file. Import the Stimulsoft namespace. Define a report property in the component class. In the constructor, create a new instance for the StReport class. Open the template into this instance using the load file method. Pass this report object to this designer component using the report property. Run the project. Reload the page in the browser. Now a dashboard will be loaded into the report designer. Click Preview to show the dashboard. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.